Halil Pasha was born circa 1857, Istanbul, died August 1939, Istanbul, was a Turkish painter and art teacher. He was one of Turkey's first Impressionists. He had his first showing at the Exposition Universelle in 1889 and won a medal. As it turned out, when he went back to Turkey, he still became a teacher at a military school. In 1906, he was granted the title Pasha. 2 years later, however, at the beginning of the Second Constitutional Era, he chose to retire with the rank of colonel and become a private art teacher. Later, he taught at the School of Fine Arts and Crafts.